Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we would like to talk about AERO targets and updates with my custom maker set. Let's dive in. Guys, I hope you didn't skip the main video for AERO, what I shared 6 months ago. We stopped it almost till penny, till cents, exactly at that level, and I would like to explain you why the same fee, the same level is absolutely relevant and why we can go higher. So here on that video, I explained to you why we should stop at 27 block. So this is absolutely the same FIB. So if we use the FIB upside, right? So like impulse correction, we stop it at 86 level by FIB. If we use the correction level FIB, how to work with that FIB, I highly recommend you go and check free educational videos. So 27 zone, this one, usually in many cases playing out like support block where more than okay accumulate tokens on a weekly time frame, you know, for investment. Can we drop lower again inside this block? Yes, guys, absolutely. In the eye blink, we can drop and even sweep the low of June 24 if something happened in the market after the Trump, all of that stuff after 20 January, because now everything is priced before, I guess, and we can form a double bottom. Anyway, guys, sooner or later, this double bottom, if we will form the double bottom, it pushes us to over than $4, I guess. So all targets, guys, relevant. And like you can see here, we formed the top in April 24 and didn't sweep that high. So this target absolutely still relevant. So the targets, like you can see, relevant and 51% tokens only in circulation supply, 1 billion market capitalization at this current moment. So let's say $2.60 to $3.04. So around here, yes, it's more than real to see. It's $5. So it's not a big deal, right? So it will be around 3 billion market capitalization. And my take is this token on a Coinbase, by the way, on the futures on the Binance, but still not on the spot. So I think we will see the hype around the base chain one moment. Second moment, I think we will see the listing AERO on the spot on the Binance. It's more liquidity, right? And some hype around this token also. To buy now or not, guys, like always, up to you. I skip this token because you know, I already formed my investment portfolio. If you look for some investment, of course, the best time to buy was here at 8 cents and 7 cents. In February 24, or at least in correction 27 block at 40 cents. And from these current prices, if you wait like 5 billion market capitalization to $10, yes, it can be like 600% gains. But for that, people who accumulate in 27 block, it's going to be 2,300% gains, what I shared in my first video about AERO. So everything should be in time, guys. Next steps, negative scenario, it's a drop and form some crazy fear in the market inside 27 block again with all of that sweeps. I'm not sure about retest of this weekly gap, but it's a negative case scenario. Size of this double bottom will be around here, $4, $4.50, $5. So that's a point, guys. Also pay attention for the timing, because if, for example, around here we will be in May, it can be the, for example, this move, then May, deep correction, summer, and the last impulse in autumn. So just in case, guys. And let's go to the monthly time frame. Pretty good one. So we almost closed the full fill of monthly gap. What we'll leave it here in August 24 and October 24. So basically, no makes sense to drop lower. Now we can go higher to sweep this liquidity pool and this liquidity pool. So anyway, we formed like equal highs. Right, so now the people just wait the drop and buy lower, but sooner or later we can go higher, and that guys will out at the break even, or just trigger their stop losses, or just close position in losses. So because the market working in both ways, right? So keep in mind this one. So let's take a look with my customer setup. What I will do now with AERO. That time I explained to you here after distribution on the weekly. We drop it down, but I waited the bigger accumulation. I waited the accumulation and test of a weekly gap, but we didn't drop so low. Of course, it was just a few cents, like 32 cents, and we stopped it at 40, round number 40. And by the way, for 40, when we leave the round number, it's also can be the trigger to come back and sweep that lows. On the ADZ, we can push the price higher. This one to the top again and form the warrants on ADZ on the weekly. This was here. This was a market mood crazy apria, and we dump it. Now it's like trill zone. Of course, guys. The right time to buy this token was in February 2024, so at 7 cents. And yes, when we traded at 7 cents, and after that we traded 2 times at $2.30, I'm not surprised. So the people fixed the profit because it's a great profit, guys. It's a great profit. Open the chart of Matic, for example, from like few cents. Matic pump it, and nobody screamed, oh, we are too early. Of course, some moon boys screamed, but the smart guys fixed profit. So it was the right decision. So the same story now with AERO. Everything should be in time, guys. Direction, no signal to sell now. Market mood, it's like a trill zone. Take a look, the money power here. It was a money outflow. Now, no new money inflow on the weekly. On the daily, yes, it's good. So anyway, guys, 1, 2, 3 weeks, it's a liquidity pool. So sooner or later, guys, that liquidity pool will be swept. So after this move, so this order flow will be swept. Or after this current move, higher. Just in case, guys. Crazy capitulation here and weekly gap. I don't think so. We'll drop so low. Now we see step by step the money inflow again into AERO. And yes, of course, maybe we one step ahead of altcoin season, main one. Trade on, take profit. Take a look the trade on, sell. This was a buy, pump, distribution, sell, drop, buy back. No main signal again to buy. So just in case. Weekly time frame, only one signal to sell was here at $2.30. So this is what we get now. And the last one is take profit. Take profit on the weekly. No data, I guess. Yes. And here, we tested buy line for the map wallet. So this means no makes sense to drop a lower again because we already retested. So how we play now previously here, drop on the fundamental value of the token, test the middle range between the buy line and the fundamental value of the token, pump. Now we come back and drop again, almost like this scenario, but a little bit higher. So I don't see any reason now to drop so low again to 72 cents. If we will, it should happen something extraordinary, you know, on the market. So 12 hours in frame, retest of the buy line, yes, more than possible, $1.07. And take profit, $2.13. Exit line, it's $2.39 at this current moment. We daily time frame to $1.94. Exit line $2.19. So basically, it's just a range. So nothing special. And here, capitulation. You remember, drop to this block formed the global double bottom, but would be good to see just like cap and handle. This one. So just basic classic TA with the targets. Guys, I hope you like this video. Let us in a comment what you think about Aerodrome. And I highly recommend you not skip the videos because all information, guys, always for free and will be for free. If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.